my sweet gestures, ending with my last. For listen to me, gentle sailor, hear my words and heed my call. For the wood around my harbor now, it is rotted and lays bare. And so your vast and hardy ship should pass on through without a care. And I would not have that precious body washed up on my jetties. Slowly listen to me, gentle sailor, hear my words, forget me so. And don't you know that I have the blood of 1,000 years of this love lost slowly coursing through my veins? And you will feel the sharp tongue tang when it's brought down in the rain. And I mean the rain. And I'm up on constellations if you need a guiding light. And the sadness is seeped into my words like a hell hung